Hey, Jonathan Rowland here. I'm the CEO of MyChurch.Events, bringing you the latest on things you can see and do with our frequently updated events guide. Let's go.
Get ready.
International Gathering of God's Women 2018, titled Unashamed, takes place this Saturday 4pm to 10pm at XL London. This is an incredible women's conference that is aimed at empowering the Christian woman in all areas of life until she reaches her God potential. Also conducting an intense and intimate worship session will be Tasha Cobbs-Leonard. She will lead you to the presence of God for a personal encounter with Him. This event is not just another conference, but an experience that will drive you to live the life God intends for you. This Saturday, Sing Gospel will be having an evening of food and music at Greenford Baptist Church. They regularly perform at high-profile events across the UK, having performed for Whoopi Goldberg at the Woman of the Year Award, for Sir David Jason and others as the final act of the National Film Awards, and as finalists of the BBC Gospel Choir of the Year. Also, which is great, all proceeds raised on this night will go to the Sight Savers, who work to prevent sight loss across the developing world. Calling worshippers, worship leaders, songwriters and aspiring songwriters to the Ageless One Songwriting Seminar, which takes place this Saturday from 11 to 4pm at Jesus House for All Nations, London. There will be great guest speakers in attendance and opportunities to learn about generating ideas for writing songs, the music business, spontaneous songs, prophetic songs, using psalms in songwriting, collaborative songwriting, copyright and licensing your music, and more. You got children? Well, we have a great holiday club that they can attend where they will be entering the world of fairy tales at St. Peter's Church in Romford from Tuesday to Friday, starting from 9:30am. Get your children ready to see how the true story of Jesus is way better than any of the made-up stories they read, mainly because it's true, but also because Jesus is a real superhero. It will be lots of fun, so feel free to join any session and expect story time, crafts, games, challenges, singing and a whole lot more. Oh man, I just can't fit any more in. So check out MyChurch.Events for a full listing. From coffee mornings, concerts, seminars to theatre shows, hashtag MyChurch.Events to be in a know. Jonathan Rowland, MyChurch.Events, signing out.